Welcome. You just bought a guitar, or you just have a guitar that a friend gave or loaned to you. What should you play? First, instead of playing with both hands, we're gonna start with just playing with one hand. What will we do now? We will start by playing individual strings using index and the middle finger. So here's how it goes. We have the strings of the guitar, and the first string, it is the highest string. This is the first string. This note is an E. Index, middle, index, middle, index, middle. I'm now using a technique called free stroke or Tirando, which you might also see in some guitar literature, which means that we are not gonna support our finger onto the next string, like this. This is what we call rest stroke or Apoyando. This is free stroke. So we're just gonna use index and middle. This is the first thing I will say to any student who wants to learn the guitar. This is the first thing that he should do. We're going to play the first string, which is an E, and now we're going to play the second string, which is the B. The second string is the B. Don't worry if you don't remember the names of the strings, these will come with time. That's not the point at this stage. At this stage, we just want to play the strings individually, then the third string, and now we're gonna stop on the third string and you're gonna go back to the second, and then go back to the first. Always alternating between the fingers because that's the proper technique. The thumb will actually play the lower string, so these lower strings will be played by the thumb. That's the first thing that you should do when you start playing the guitar, using just with the right hand, playing index, middle, index, middle.